Hello and welcome back. Today I'm doing a house call to my friend's house to change a battery on an 883 Sportster. It's a 2004. So keep watching and I'll get back to you when I get there. Okay, so here we go. This is 2004. I just want to show you there's these two clips right here. You're just gonna put a little pressure up. A lot of times these clips they break. So if they're broken, just put a zip tie, temporary zip tie right through this and put it around the frame. That's just something that you got to do so you don't lose the cover. But these clips, they like to break, so try to get another ones. But meanwhile, you can use that zip tie. So this cover on the bottom is just hooked on, so we should be able to. There's a little hook right there, so this just comes right off, so we can put it aside. So now the battery is exposed right here. This little a fuse box, it just pops off. You see this little thing? There's a pin here that you just put it on and slide it forward, and that would help to keep it on. So now we have a 7/16 screw over here on this little strap. We're gonna take that off. We're gonna loosen up the positive connector. We can slide the battery out to get to the negative. There's the bolt. Now this strap, if I'm trying to work one-handed, but if you pick this up, you can just undo the strap to unlatch this little hook. The next thing is the 10mm here. When you buy this battery, it'll come with these spacers. A lot of times people don't know what to do with them. The reason why you need them, because right here you see this battery, this is not flush with the outside. So you put the spacer here to make it flush. So it's important, you need to put that on, because if you don't, this connector is gonna sit on the angle and it's gonna get loose. So when you're putting the new connector on, it kind of helps to have the battery suspended down here, because you can work with both hands. And once you get it started, just slide it in, and then now this is the negative. You don't have to worry about touching anything. And now we're gonna slide the battery back in. And now we can connect our positive back up. Again, the spacer on this side definitely helps, because this cable is kind of thick, so it'll keep it a little bit more aligned next to the battery. Careful not to touch anything against the frame, because now the positive could short out against the frame. Now we're gonna stick this. Okay, now we got this back in. Okay, now we got this, what I was showing you when I took it apart. Just click that in, and that's all we gotta do. Oh, almost forgot to put this little plastic. Normally this would be attached to the cable, but since there's additional cables here for the charger, it's been cut. It's been cut and just laid here, so I'm gonna put a zip tie on it. Okay, now finally I can put this up here. This just gets pushed on. Just kind of align it where it feels like it's going in correctly. There it is. It's been sitting for a week or two. Dead battery. Takes a minute for the gas to get there. Okay guys, so looks like that's it. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.